Welcome back to Prudence. Today, I've got 3 powerful detox drinks that are easy to make and super effective at flushing out toxins. Let's dive right in. First up is the Lemon Ginger Detox Water. This drink is a classic in the detox world, and it's packed with benefits. Lemons are a fantastic source of vitamin C, which is crucial for your immune system, and they also have powerful antioxidant properties that help protect your cells from damage. Ginger, on the other hand, is a natural anti-inflammatory and helps with digestion, making this combination a perfect start to your day. Let's see how to make it. Start with a large glass of water. Warm water is ideal because it helps your body absorb the nutrients more effectively. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the water. Freshly squeezed lemon juice is best for maximizing those vitamin C benefits. Next, add a few slices of fresh ginger. You can peel the ginger first, but leaving the skin on is fine too, as long as it's clean. If you like a touch of sweetness, add a teaspoon of honey. Make sure it's raw honey to get the most health benefits. Give it a good stir, and your detox drink is ready. I recommend drinking this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach to kickstart your metabolism and help your body flush out toxins right from the get-go. It's a simple yet powerful way to begin your day. The warmth from the ginger and the freshness of the lemon make this drink super refreshing and energizing. Trust me, you'll feel the difference. Next up, we have the Cucumber Mint Detox Water. This drink is perfect for staying hydrated and feeling fresh throughout the day. Cucumbers are incredibly hydrating, thanks to their high water content, and they're also packed with vitamins and minerals that are great for your skin. Mint is not just a garnish. It helps with digestion, reduces bloating, and gives this drink a refreshing kick. Here's how to prepare it. Start by slicing up half a cucumber. You don't need to peel it. Just make sure it's washed well. The skin actually contains a lot of nutrients. Add the cucumber slices to a pitcher of water. If you want to make a big batch to last you through the day, use about 4 to 5 cups of water. Now, take a handful of fresh mint leaves. Gently crush them in your hands before adding them to the pitcher. This helps release the natural oils in the mint, giving your drink a stronger flavor. Let the water infuse in the fridge for at least an hour. The longer it sits, the more flavorful it becomes. This is a great drink to keep on hand and sip throughout the day. It's especially perfect for hot days when you need something light and refreshing to stay hydrated. Plus, it's so simple to make. You can even prep it the night before and have it ready to go in the morning. I love how refreshing this is, and the mint just adds that extra touch of coolness. It's like a spa day in a glass. Our final drink today is the Apple Cider Vinegar Detox Drink. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV as it's often called, is a powerhouse when it comes to detoxifying the body. It helps balance your body's pH levels, improves digestion, and can even support weight loss by making you feel fuller. But, because ACV is quite strong, it's important to dilute it properly. Here's how you can make this detox drink at home. Start with a glass of warm water. Warm water helps with absorption and makes the drink easier on your stomach. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. Make sure it's the kind with the mother. That's where all the good bacteria and enzymes are. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. This adds a nice tang and provides an extra boost of vitamin C. For an extra kick, add a pinch of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper can help boost your metabolism and add a little heat to the drink. Optional. If you find the taste too strong, you can add a teaspoon of honey to sweeten it up. Just make sure it's raw honey for the best health benefits. Mix it all together, and you're good to go. This drink is best consumed before meals as it can help with digestion and reduce cravings. Just a heads up. ACV is pretty potent, so start with a smaller amount if you're not used to it, and always follow it up with plenty of water. It's got a bit of a kick, but you can really feel it working. This is one of those drinks that you know is doing your body good, even if it's an acquired taste. Those are 3 detox drinks to boost your health. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching. and see you next time.